म बिरामी छु। I am sick. I am sick. सधैँ जसो, as always. As always. तिमीलाई कस्तो छ? How are you? How are you? के भइरहेको छ? What's going on? What's going on? आलुको बोक्रा निकाल्नुहोस्. Peel off the potatoes. Peel off the potatoes. सुन्तलाको बोक्रा हटाउनुहोस्. Peel off the orange. Peel off the orange. ओछ्यान बनाउनुहोस्. Make the bed. Make the bed. ओछ्यानको चादर लगाउनुहोस्. Spread the red bed sheet. Spread the red bed sheet. दिमाग प्रयोग गर. Use your brain. Use your brain. नर्म भएर बोल्नुहोस्. Speak softly. Speak softly. बिस्तारै बोल्नुहोस्. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. ठुलो स्वरमा बोल्नुहोस्. Speak loud. Speak loud. उसलाई समय लिन दिनुहोस्. Let him take time. Let him take time. बेकारको कुरा नगर्नुहोस्. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. रोटी बेल्नुहोस्. Roll the chapatis. Roll the chapatis. जुत्ता उतार्नुहोस्. Take off the shoes. Take off the shoes. यो को हो? Who is this? Who is this? त्यहाँ को छ? Who is there? Who is there? एसी बन्द गर्नुहोस्. Switch off the AC. Switch off the AC. फोन बजिरहेको छ. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. पानी परिरहेको छ. It's raining. It's raining. मलाई चिसो लागेको छ. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. अँध्यारो हुँदैछ. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. मलाई नुहाउन देऊ. Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. गएर सुता. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. मेसिन अन गर्नुहोस्. Switch on the machine. Switch on the machine. म आफैमा विश्वास गर्छु. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. जे मन लाग्छ गर. Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. म बुझ्न चाहन्छु. I would like to understand. I would like to understand. म हेर्न चाहन्छु. I would like to see. I would like to see. मलाई थाहा पाउन मन छ. I want to know. I want to know. कृपया एक छेउ सार्नुहोस्. Please move aside. Please move aside. मसँग समय छैन. I don't have time. I don't have time. मसँग झुट नबोला. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. अंग्रेजी सिक्नको लागि भिडियोलाई लाइक, फलो, शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला.